And the other pilot in the other aeroplane, he lifted his hand and waved towards the pilot. Follow me, he was saying, follow me. And what did he direct it to the pilot? The other pilot. He asked the pilot to follow him. He knows that I am lost. The other pilot knew that I was lost. I thought he was trying to help me, and he was trying his level best to help me. He turned his aeroplane slowly to the north, and the other aeroplane, which appeared from the nowhere zone, he turned the aeroplane in the north direction in front of my old Dakota, so that it would be easier for me to follow. And I started following the other aeroplane. I was very happy to go behind the strange aeroplane like an obedient child. And the pilot started following the other aeroplane like an obedient child, like a person, like an obedient child who does not know what to do or what not to do, and he is following a responsible person. After half an hour, the strange black aeroplane was still there in front of me in the clouds. He could see that strange black aeroplane which appeared from nowhere zone in the sky, and it was still in front of him, in front of me in the clouds. Now there was only enough fuel in the old Dakota's last tank to fly over 5 to 10 minutes more. Then he checked the fuel status in his aeroplane, and it could guide him, or it could show him that he could fly max to max 5 to 10 minutes more. I was starting to feel frightened again. And if there is no fuel in your tank, so what is going to happen? Your plane is going to crash. So another terror seized him, or another feeling of terror seized him, but he started to go down. I followed through the storm. And then the other aeroplane, that black aeroplane, it started it started going down, and the same was done by the pilot. Suddenly I came out of the clouds and saw 2 straight lines of light in front of me, and by the grace of God, or fortunately, he came out of the clouds and he could see 2 long straight lines of light in front of me. Oh my God! Thank God, it was a runway, an airport, and he has successfully reached an airport. I was safe. I turned to look for my friend in the black aeroplane, and he turned his neck back just to see the pilot of the black aeroplane. But to his amazement, the sky was empty. There was nothing there. The black aeroplane was gone, and I could not see anywhere. He was searching for the black aeroplane, looking for the black aeroplane, but he could not see it anywhere. I landed, and I was not sorry. The black aeroplane was gone. I could not see it anywhere. I landed and was not sorry to walk away from my old Dakota near the control tower. As soon as he landed, he straight went towards the control room from his old Dakota aeroplane. I went and asked. There was a woman sitting in the control center, and he asked a question. You can see into the picture the lady in the office and the pilot. He asked a question, where I was. Excuse me, ma'am, may I know which airport is this, what my current location is, and who was the other pilot in the sky. So he asked a number of questions to that lady, and I wanted to say thank you, because the pilot desperately wanted to extend his gratitude towards that pilot of black aeroplane who saved him in that dark stormy weather. She looked at me strangely, and when he was asking the question which was the other aeroplane in the sky along with him, the lady looked at him strangely and then laughed. Another aeroplane up there in the storm. So she was flabbergasted. Excuse me, sir, there was no other aeroplane in the sky except yours. Except your aeroplane, there was no other aeroplane in this dark stormy weather. No other aeroplanes were flying tonight. Here was the only one I could see on the radar. If I could check the radar, I could see it was only your aeroplane which was there in the sky. And so who helped me to arrive there safely without a compass or a radio? We know that his all instruments turned dead, and suddenly a black aeroplane appeared in the sky. So he was in a very could you say in a mystery that who could be the he could be in the mystery that without any compass or a radio, without more fuel in his tank, there was no compass, there was no what you can say radio, there was no fuel in his tank. Who was the pilot on that strange black aeroplane? Who was that other black aeroplane? Who was the pilot in that black aeroplane which was flying in the storm without lights on the wings? So all these questions bewildered the pilot. This was still a mystery, that who helped that pilot in that dark stormy night and helped and proved a good Smartian for him to come out of that danger zone. So this is the story about black aeroplane. I hope that you would have understood the story, and if still you are having any problem, facing any problem, so you can put your question or queries in the WhatsApp group. Have a great day.